Go to loans.enosis.global on your browser or wallet browser. Connect your wallet. Select the Borrow tab. Select your preferred collateral, FXRP or WFLR. Input the amount of collateral you want to deposit. Input the amount of CDP you want to mint against that collateral. Or use one of the risk-based presets. Higher loan-to-value ratios carry a higher liquidation risk. Set the interest rate for your loan. Lower rates carry higher redemption risk. You can also delegate your interest rate management to a delegate, such as Nortso, for a more hands-off approach. Click Next to view a summary of your new trove. Nothing will be submitted to the blockchain at this point. Here you will see a summary of the transaction you are about to submit. Note the creation fee, which is calculated from 7 days of interest at the current average rate. If this is your first time using loans, you will need to approve spending limits for your collateral and for WFLR as gas compensation. You may now open your position, which will send collateral from your wallet to the loans contracts and return CDP dollars to your wallet. You can now view and manage your position on the dashboard. You are now free to stake your CDP in the stability pools using the Earn tab. Provide CDP as liquidity on Enosys DEXV3, or use it in any other way you would like.